Thanks for checking out this video. In today's video, we're going to continue work on the CB650 Cafe build, specifically putting on the new 4-in-1 exhaust. So without further ado, let's dive into it. The old pipes are off, easy job. Now let's crack open this new exhaust system and see what we got. All right, so these Delkevic exhaust systems are really pretty good quality. They're super popular to run on these kind of builds, and they have great support. They have installation instructions on their websites. They give you all the pieces and parts you need, silicone, gasket maker, the whole thing. So let's get this thing slapped on here loosely so we can kind of see how everything's going to lay out and fit before we do the final tightening and installation. exhaust is on the bike, and it was fairly simple to install outside of that pretty nasty silicone gasket maker stuff, but it cleaned up pretty well. The stickers on the headers were super helpful to kind of put everything together, except for they were also a pain in the butt to get off. But I got them off, got the glue off, got everything polished up, got all my fingerprints off, and we are ready to finally fire this thing up. Now, if you remember from the previous video, we installed the new Murray carburetors, which we have not ran yet. So it's gonna be the first time working with those carbs, and it's gonna be the first time we hear this exhaust work. So let's throw some fuel in this bad boy and see how it goes. I'm real happy with that. Those pipes sound so good. The carbs seem to be working pretty good. Need a little adjustment. Seems to stumble a little bit on full throttle, but man, am I excited about this. Thank you all so much for checking out this video. In the next video, we'll throw the tank on, the seat on, we'll throw brakes on this thing, and we'll take it out for its very first ride. Who knows when the last time this thing was on the road? Super excited about that. As always, like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when the next video comes out. Share these videos, please, with your motorcycling community. It really helps the channel. And until next time, as always, peace and love.